no! There's smoke coming from my car! Please help! Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Oh no! The engine is not working! Let's repair it first. The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! The car is so dirty. Let's have a good clean. There are a lot of bacteria. Get rid of them quickly. The car window is so dirty. Come and wash it. Drag the brush to foam the car. Let's rinse away the foam. The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. My favorite car is fixed. Thank you so much. Be aware to stop at red light and go at green. Take it easy when the yellow light is on.